Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way to check the serial number via the secret code, and after that I'll show you an alternative way via the settings. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, that was quite quick. So let's do it via the settings. Let's open them. And now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And fortunately, we do not have to enter other sections which are available in About Phone, because the serial number appears right here. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.